Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to solve the problem of binary tree level auto traversal. It's a very interesting problem and it's most asked in person interview. So first start with the read the question and then after I will show you how could solve this problem. So let's start. So given the root of binary tree, return of the level order traversal, its node values. Nodes values from left to right level by level. So you have to give a tree and you have to traverse this tree with according to its level, just like it is the first level, second level, and third level. You can see the example. It is a given tree, and it's a discrimination of that arrays trees according to its level. So that's like is first level elements come in this arrays, which is it is a first levels order. It is a second levels elements come in second arrays, and third level elements come to is third arrays. So as it is, you have to be discrimination of this elements according to its levels. So I hope you understood the question. So let's solve the problem without further delay. So this problem I will be used for you q. I know you have aware of you q. Just like q is a method. So a little bit talking about q, just like a queue is a method to use for that just like a it is a queue, and inside the queue you have to push the element, you have to push inside this, and when you come to delete element, so that will be not a delete from this uh, back, just like a first in last out, just like a last in first out, you that is element of work on FIFO, first in first out. So that element is come to first in, so it will be out of first. So I hope you understood that what is queue. So let's solve the problem with this method. I will use the queue. So it is a very interesting problems. I hope you very understood the easy way. So let's solve the problem. So I will first check root. Yes, root is equal to null. When is root equal to null? So it will be print return is uh, empty array. When is not null? So I will use a declare that resulting array. And one thing I will be just like I will declare the queue, and queue I will push inside this elements. Push push it's like a root. When I push, so after that I will be check length of this queue. Length should be greater than 0. When it's greater than 0, then after comes. So after that I will be make its label list. It is empty array, and here is a node label length. You have to be label length. So label length is equal to q dot length. What is the length of q? So it will come inside this variable. To that I will use a for loop for iterating that elements of particular label. So I will use a 0 and just go to his label land. Till it's not a equal to label dot, it will be iterating. And after that I will use a node. That node is I will be pop from the queue, just like a delete from the queue. So queue dot shift. So you know that why I'm using the shift. Shift is always delete the element from this in front. Nota is back. When you want to back element, so you want to delete the last element. So there is use the it's like a pop. So I need to is delete this first element. So that's why I'm using the shift. It will delete, and after that when delete, so that element I will be push inside this label list. So list, label list, push this element. So what's the elements? Node dot val, and then after I will check that left value of this node, left value available or not, left, because why I'm checking first left, because in that is tell especially you have to be traverse left to right. So that's why I'm checking the first node available left or not. When it's available, so it will go and q dot push that node dot left, and then after I will be check that node of right. When it's available, it will go again push as element of right, and just like right this node dot right. After that, finally you have to create this first level and you have to come to push this resulting array, resulting. So push this label list. When you push, then after you go and return that result. So let's see it will running or not. You can see it is running fine. So I hope you understood the question. So inside the problem, I will try to once again uh, make understand this my flow, my code. So you can see first I will check that the root is when is null. So it print it. It will return is empty array when it's not a null. So come to and start the solve the problem. Inside this the first declare two variable. One is the result, where is I'm show the resulting, and queue is used for method to the entire element I will be pushed inside this queue and check what is the length of queue. When is the not a zero, so it will come inside this, and it is a label list of array is a label. According to label, it will be pushed inside the array and check that length of the queue. So what is the length? And according to that length, it will push inside this element. Just like how many elements existing of particular label. So it will check that length is 3, 2, yeah, whatever is. It will be iterate of till that till that length of this label. After that is check that node of left. So when is the left elements available, so it will be move on this one. When is the right available, so it will be go to right. And finally you have to print that label list. So see it will be submitting a node. You can see it is printing now. So thank you very much. It will be submitting. So we will meet in next video. Thank you once again.